Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Florendo. First, I want to thank all of you who have been so very supportive and have been following our pandemic protocols so closely. We really appreciate your diligence and caring. There still seems to be some confusion over when to keep your children home. If your child is not feeling well, if anyone in your household is not feeling well, if you have been around anyone who is not feeling well, or if you've been around someone who is awaiting test results or is going to be tested for COVID-19, please keep your children home and call the school nurse. There may be some of you who don't think that COVID is a big deal, and that even if you or your child get it, you'll be fine. I really pray that that's the case. But folks, we are a community, a family. Families take care of each other, not just ourselves. Please consider how your decisions will affect others in school and in your community. Monsignor Cronin and I urge you to take this virus seriously. Last year, we didn't have a positive case in school until December. This year already, we have had to quarantine 3 classes and have had 7 positive cases, 3 in the past 2 days. This new variant, as we were told all summer, is serious and very contagious among children. Please make sure your children wear a mask in all public spaces, whether it's required by the establishment or not. Please wear a proper mask. If it's reusable, it should be made with 2 or more layers of cotton and be washed after every wear. If it's a disposable mask, please make sure a new mask is worn every day. All masks should have the proper fit to cover mouth and nose and to fit snugly. Please make sure that your students have an extra mask in their backpack every day. Please also remember that when your child is quarantined, they must stay home and avoid all contact with those outside your home. I know it's hard, but it's what we have to do to keep those in our community safe. We've received feedback that we are wrong to quarantine a whole class if the students are unvaccinated. Well, I can tell you that one class that was quarantined now has 2 other students who have tested positive. If we had failed to quarantine the class, more students would be in danger now. So isn't quarantining for the safety of all the right thing to do? I appreciate your feedback about what other schools are doing. But here at St. James, we are making every decision in consultation with the Bernards Department of Health and for the good of all. Monsignor Cronin and I are going to remain ever vigilant and firm on this because we want to keep everyone safe and avoid having to place more classes and students in quarantine. Maybe you won't be happy with all of the decisions that we make, but the pandemic is clearly not over, and you have to understand that we are doing what we think best to keep our school community safe and healthy. Our hope is that going forward, you will all do the same. Thank you.